So we're gonna do some stuff that you may have missed while you were out or you're still a little confused over. But the first thing I need to say is you must know these. If you don't know these, you will not be able to do these. So write it 15 times if you have to, but memorize these trig functions. So today we're going to do, if you are missing, you need a side, but you don't have enough information to do the Pythagorean theorem. So if you have an angle and one side, you can use trig to find the side that's missing. So I'm just going to say that this is 47 degrees. And let's say I have this side. I need that side. This side is 5. So I'm missing this side. So if I'm looking at this angle, this side is the opposite. It does not touch it. We know that this is my hypotenuse always. And so 5 would be the adjacent. So what function do we have above that uses opposite and adjacent? It's going to be tangent. So we're going to say tangent of the degrees we're using is 47 equals opposite, which is x, over adjacent, which is 5. Now x and 5 are dividing in this equation now, and we need to get 5 away from x so x can be by itself. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So we're going to bring this side over and we are going to multiply by the tangent of 47. And since x is now by itself right here, we have solved this problem. But now we actually, if I say to the nearest tenth, we're going to have to actually put it in. So I'm going to go 5 times the tangent of 47. And we close that out, enter, and to the nearest tenth, we're going to look at 3, and the number behind it is 6, so it goes up to 5.4. So that would be x. So if I did one like this, and I'm just going to use a different degree and say it's 32, and I have 7 over here, and I am looking for x there. Well, we know this is my hypotenuse, this is my adjacent to the 37, and this is my opposite. So we are using opposite and adjacent. So that would be tangent. So we would say tangent of 32 equals opposite over adjacent. Now, above, in the problem above, we took the 5 and we multiplied it over. You're always going to move the denominator. We don't move the numerator. So 7 and x are dividing. So the opposite is multiplying. So you're going to take your x and multiply it over here. And then we have another step. Because x is now multiplied to tangent of 32, we have to get that tangent of 32 away from it. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to do this. And then we'll put that in our calculator. So 7 divided by the tangent of 32, enter. So x would equal 11.2. So whenever you have x on top to begin the problem, to begin the equation, we are going to end with a multiplication. If you have x in the bottom, in your denominator, you are going to end the problem with a division. So you can use either tangent, sine, or cosine, whichever sides that you have to be able to do it.